My name is Jordan Frisay Himawan, and I was born in Surabaya, October 21st, 2003. Last year, I went to Melasti Beach with my family. It is located in South Kuta District, Bali. We went there by bus. The trip took about 12 hours. We left from Surabaya at 2 p.m. and arrived about 2 a.m. As arrived there, my parents rented a hut to take a rest. I immediately ran onto the beach. It looked sunny with the blue black sky, and I felt a gentle breeze. I did not forget to take some photos there. At noon, I began to feel hungry. I approached my hut. Apparently, my dad had ordered food for us. I felt happy to be able to vacation with my family and enjoyed the beauty of nature crafted by God. The sun had started to set. It means that it was evening already. We went back to the hotel, but before that, I bought some souvenirs there. Finally, we arrived at the hotel at 7 p.m.